Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best coffee grinders for espresso. After doing research, I found these coffee grinders for espresso that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Hario Skirtin Ceramic Coffee Mill. The Hario gets the job done. It turns beans into grinds, it's cheap, and it's portable. However, it's not going to meet the demands of espresso lovers or high-volume consumers. While it has adjustable conical ceramic burrs and is dishwasher safe, the settings are not marked. It's as slow or fast as your ability to turn the crank. Sure, you'll get a ground coffee suitable for French press or drip anywhere, anytime. You'll also get forearms like Popeye. Breville Smart Grinder Pro. Stepping up to the Breville not only saves you from askance looks at your forearms, it gives you ease of use and cleaning. While you won't have the full grinding range of other models, you get 60 settings, automatic dosage, and airtight storage of your coffee grounds. Important for freshness. The feed chute is likely to clog with finer grinds, but simple cleaning makes that a minor inconvenience. That, along with an affordable price tag, makes the Breville our smart pick for neophyte brewers. Kezia MDF Burr Grinder. Kezia comes with a long legacy of excellence and renowned durability in the espresso regime. The MDF grinder is a solid, reliable stepped grinder that may outlast you. The 120-watt motor comes with reduction gears for lower speed, lower temperature grinding, and 34 settings to provide a good range of grinds. A pole-lever doser dispenses directly into the espresso's portafilters, though it makes dosing a slight challenge for home users who want to make other types of coffee. If this machine arrives in the box looking dirty, don't fret. Kezia test drives each one before it ships.